These are the Coco Velocity Pro Trimmers. Professional high torque brushless motor. World-class BLDC motor. Delivers ultra smooth, unmatched power, low noise, and longevity for an ultimate cutting experience. Long-lasting, fast-charging lithium-ion battery. Lithium-ion battery charges to full charge in 3 hours and provides 2 hours of runtime, allowing continuous usage for busy days. The blue light will blink while charging is in process. Once fully charged, the battery indicator illuminates to a solid blue and you are ready to go. Digital gap, standard, original blade for detailing and outlining. Coco Velocity Pro Trimmer features a world-class digital gap, standard, original blade with an integrated skin protection system. The digital gap standard original blade provides superior performance with a touch and go lining. The Coco Velocity Pro Trimmer features all metal aluminum alloy housing with ultra lightweight technology, making it ideal for professional use. The special design gives battery visuals while cutting, which helps to get precise results every time. The Coco Velocity trimmers and clippers are also available in white and black, golden black, green and black, yellow, orange, gray, silver, and turquoise. It also comes with a brush, clipper oil, and a special tool in case you need to take the blade off, along with a charger. You also have the option to buy the stands together or separately. So I'm gonna place the Coco Velocity besides the Babyliss skeleton, and I'm gonna turn them on and compare the sounds of each one. All right, so here's the Coco Velocity. Here's the skeleton Babyliss. Now I'm gonna put the Coco Velocity right beside the wall detailer, all right? Just so you have an idea how loud it is. All right, what up guys? This is my first unboxing review ever. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Right here, I got the Coco Velocity trimmer. I really like the look. The white and black obviously is our colors. White, black, and gold, all right? As soon as I saw these, they reminded me of like a Model S Tesla, you know, the white with the black rims, the black tinted windows. That's exactly what I thought about when I saw these trimmers because they look so clean, and the white, it's like a pro white, all right? So it looks really good. The colors pop, and I really like that it has a little bit of weight. See, a lot of newer clippers and the newer trimmers, they're made out of like, you know, like plastic. It kind of feels like cheap and it feels light and it feels like it's weak. But this one, the casing is actually like an aluminum or like a metal. So it has some weight to it. So it feels sturdy, it feels strong, and it feels powerful. And what I like about this is that it has a new technology that is new. This company came up with a blade that actually only allows the blade to move side to side, left and right. So no matter what, the cutting blade will not overlap the steel blade, which means you will never irritate or cut the client's skin, which is a big plus because the skin is very sensitive around the neck area and the hairline. It's really cool technology. I'm very excited to use it. I like the feel, I like the ergonomics of this trimmer. It feels very comfortable in my hand. It feels good. It's got good grip and it's not too small and it's also not too big. Sometimes the skeletons, it's so long that sometimes the actual machine gets in the way, especially when you're cutting little kids' hairs because, you know, they have, you know, obviously a smaller neck. It's a really good size. I have not used these, so I don't know the pros and cons of this so far. I like the design so far. I like the feel. the sound. I feel like I'm gonna really like this clipper. I will use this clipper on my next client and I will tell you guys what I think. But I really like the fact that, you know, it can't irritate or cut the skin. So that's a big plus, especially for new beginning barbers. You know, obviously you don't have the experience and you don't know exactly how much pressure to apply when you're using trimmers. And sometimes, you know, as a beginner, we mess up and sometimes we go a little too rough. Our hands get a little too heavy and then we end up, you know, irritating the client's skin, or we end up cutting their skin, making them bleed, which is worse. You know, you never want to leave a client walking out the door with blood running down their necks, all right? It's not a good look. I've been there. I'm not gonna cap, I'm not gonna lie. We've all been there, all right? But that's how you learn. You learn by making mistakes. And by making mistakes, obviously, you're gonna eventually understand how much pressure to apply. What I like about this one is that, like, it's got like a style of a modern and older trimmer. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of the new tools that are coming out, they feel so light, so cheap. They're made out of plastic, but this one has got a little bit of weight and it's made out of like aluminum, like a strong aluminum with some weight on it. So I really like that feeling. And I like the black and white colors, man. It looks so fresh, so clean, and it's our colors, you know? Shout out to my boy Arsenal Barber Supply down in Vista. All right, he hooked me up. He showed me a lot of love because he hooked me up with the stands. All right, the stands are also available. You can get them together or you can buy them separately. All right, let me show you what the stand looks like. So this is the stands right here. I'm gonna unbox it. Here's the stands. Boom, boom. Like that. So you connect your charger right here in the back, and then voila, it stands right here. It's perfect. It's nice and snug, and it's also very convenient. You don't have to be, you know, bending over to grab the charger whenever you're using the trimmer. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna show you on my next cut, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion. I'm excited, right? So stay tuned. Follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go, baby. Woo!